Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem when Windows Security does not open on your computer. First, we will repair or reset the Windows Security app. Press the Windows key and I together to open Settings. Then find Windows Security in the list. Click on Advanced Options. First try the Repair button. This tries to fix the app without removing your settings. If that does not work, choose Reset. Resetting clears the app data and often solves deeper problems. If the app still will not open, use a PowerShell command. Search for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type this command carefully. Press Enter and wait for the process to finish. Then restart your computer and test Windows Security again. You can also fix this problem through the Windows registry. Press the Windows key and R, type regedit, and press Enter. Then navigate to H key Local Machine, then System, then Current Control Set. After that, go to Services and then Security Health Service. On the right side, double-click on Start and change its value to 3. Save the change and restart your computer. Thanks for watching.